Hi there guys. In this video, we'll start covering the store module inside CronySoft Back Office. The store module includes multiple features related to store operations, devices, products, displays, and customer-facing tools. In this video, we will begin with ESL tags. ESL stands for Electronic Shelf Label or Electronic Shelf Tag. This feature is used to connect an item in your back office with a physical ESL tag on the store shelf. To open this module, go to the store, then select ESL tag, or you can search it in the Smart Search. On this page, you can see which item barcode is mapped to which ESL tag ID. This helps you confirm that the correct product is linked to the correct shelf tag. To add or map a tag, click Add. First, scan or enter the item barcode. This tells the system which product you want to connect. Next, scan or enter the ESL tag ID from the physical shelf tag. Once both are entered, click Save. After saving, the item will appear in the ESL tag list. The system will show you important details such as item name, barcode, item code, ESL tag ID, battery information, and signal strength. This makes it easier to check whether the tag is connected properly and whether the tag has enough battery and signal to receive updates. You can also click the View Details option to see more information about that specific ESL tag. This can show how many times updates were sent from the back office to the tag, such as price changes or other item updates. If you need to change the item connected to a tag, you can edit the tag mapping and assign a different item. And if a tag is no longer required, you can delete it from the ESL tag list. The ESL tag feature is mainly used to keep your shelf labels updated and connected with the correct products in CronySoft Back Office. And that's it for the ESL tag module. In the next store module video, we will cover shelf locations. I'll see you guys in our next video.